ladies and gentlemen, turn radio area against all odds. Now on your radio, my goals provide insight to people and the guidance to anyone who is in need. So you too, you can be so victorious, no matter who you are, black, white, or the Indians. I'm here to provide the message of hope, restoration, rebirth, forgiveness, and redemption. You know that I got a vision, deep to the top to reach a broken-hearted robbery. All the broken hearts inside, full of poverty, to take a message of hope. All corners of the world, especially in the places where your people are oppressed. I raise awareness about domestic violence against men and women all over the world. To love vulnerable, reach and reachable, to reach the voice of all my.
Founded by Mrs. Figelepi Jackson in 2013, the founder was an award-winning author of Against All Odds, I Survived. So she wrote this book during the year 2013, Elitoa Against All Odds, I Survived. The vision of the organization: firstly, it is to reach the broken-hearted globally who have been victims of domestic violence and abuse. Secondly, to see people's lives healed and restored. Basically, the beneficiaries, the women that we deal with, the organization seeks to empower them and restore and heal all parts of the women. Thirdly, to take the message of hope all over the world, especially in places where people are oppressed. Fourthly, to raise awareness about domestic violence against women all over the world. Last but not least, to build a safe haven where women can receive healing as well as practical advice on how to move forward in their lives. So basically, this is the long and short about the organization. This is our vision, is Against All Odds Still Standing, to empower, to rebuild, to revalue, to bring back dignity, as well as restore confidence in our women. Thank you.
Psalms 136. Verse 23. The Bible says, who remembered us in our lowly state, for his mercy endures forever.
And according to our feasibility study, we discovered that there are so many women who are very vulnerable here. Most of them, they venture into prostitution because of poverty. Most of them, they venture into so many ways that are not good because they want to keep their issue of poverty. So Against All Odds Still Standing chose this target population so that they might cap the issue of poverty, because the issue of prostitution due to poverty. So we're trying to empower our women through teaching them how to catch fish and not giving them fish. That's why you saw the machines. That's why you saw the hair dryers, all the starters. We during the year 2017, we took vending licenses for them so that they might start their own informal businesses. Then they'll be graduating until they are doing something commercial, or they get service industry stands from the council. But then that's in the long run. So basically, Against All Odds Still Standing is empowering these women so that they get back on their feet. We restore their dignity, we restore their images, and we restore their confidence.